Yeah, I see them way over here.
Watch out for the super as well.
Guys, I need cover fire on me.
I got the one on this right side.
Fuck.
Y'all got 3 left. 3 left.
Oh shit, he's right here in front of me.
LMG rounds here. Enemy in this area.
He's right above me, actually.
In the water, Nick, on your left.
Fuck, man. That's an ass cover. Ass, man.
Taking effective fire.
Fuck, man. We should have had this fucking win.
In the area. You're clear for now.
Come on, guys. I asked for help. Just a little help.
Time.
Stevie on your own.
There's no They're coming.
How many is it? 2? Shit.
Finish your mission.
Babe, you had 2 fucking kills. Everyone had 8, 9. One more.
Oh, he's on the roof? Fucking hell.
Oh, it's not good. Oh my god, he got lucky. He flew in, Steven. Yes!
Oh,
Steven!
Wait, he's calling.
Ah.
He's calling.
Shit, he's reviving himself. Oh,
Got him.
Steven won!
Oh, Steven
He clutched it! He clutched it!
Oh,
Steven!